Today, I'm going to introduce you to a great online coding community for children called Scratch. This is a free site and a fantastic way for children to learn the basics of coding in a fun environment. In this tutorial, you will see how to create a basic Scratch project. It is not necessary to join Scratch or set up an account. It is easy to save a copy of the Scratch project, and I will show you how to do that at the end. First of all, we're going to go up here to the top and click Create. A new project will come up. Automatically, a tutorial video will be available for you. But today, I'm going to close that out because I'm going to show you how to do this. First, we're going to start with choosing a sprite. This is with this little guy, this little cute animated cat over here on the right-hand box. I would like to choose a different sprite. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one into my trash bin. To find a new sprite, go over here to the bottom right and click on this little icon. Lots of different options show up, but in the search bar, I'm going to type in crab. And I found one. So click on the crab. But to get this story going, the crab's going to need something else besides a white background. So if you go over here to the right-hand bottom corner, you'll see stage and click on backdrops. I'm going to choose some underwater scene. And now our crab has a backdrop. I'm going to go ahead and click on him and move him down to the bottom. But now we need to give him some more motion. So up here on the left-hand side, you're going to have code, costumes, and sounds. We're going to click on code and give him some motion. Let's go ahead and have him move some steps. So you click, drag, and drop into this middle box. We have 10 steps, but I think I'm going to have him go a little bit faster. So you can change that to 20 just by typing over it. And then looks. I'd like for him to say hi, but it's going to have a speech bubble for him. If you click and drag and drop, then you can put this block on top of that block. So instead of hello, it's very formal, I'm going to change it to hi. So now these two blocks are stacked. You can also change it. You can have them move first, or you can have them say something first. I do want to give them some sound. So over here, I'm going to grab the start sound and bring it over. If you click on pop, click on this purple color, you'll hear what it says, pop. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and change that. Let's record something. Go ahead and start. Hi, my name is Mr. Crab. Now we have sound. If you save it, it saves over here into your sound area. And it's going to automatically be called recording number 1. Let's go back to code. So now, if you want to change it, you got to do the drop down and do recording 1. Now let's click and see what it sounds like. Hi, my name is Mr. Crab. All right, Mr. Crab now has a voice, but let's put it all together. We're going to need to do with the events button. And we want this to start when we do the green flag. Hi, my name is Mr. Crab. Okay, so the crab moved a little bit, right? We can also actually have him repeat. There are so many options within the events that you can do, but these are going to be the basics for today. And again, if you want to see him again, hi, my name is Mr. Crab. So you can go ahead and do File, Save to your computer, and your child can come back a different day and keep adding onto this story and have a lot of fun learning how to code. Thank you for watching.